Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making a quick backup and selecting the exact cells you will fix. Once done, identify whether you need to remove only leading and trailing spaces or all spaces inside text as well. You'll often use the trim function for white space cleanup, but if inner spaces must go, you'll use substitute. Make sure the selected column has consistent data types. If numbers are stored as text, note that step because removing spaces can convert values. You now apply the correct formula in a helper column so original data remains intact. For leading or trailing blanks, type equals trim, A2 and press enter, then drag the fill handle down to copy. If you need to remove every single space inside text, type equals substitute A2, and instead, this replaces spaces with nothing. Once the formulas populate, check several results to make sure punctuation and spacing between words behave as you expect. Before replacing, you finish by converting the formulas into permanent values. Select the helper column, copy, then paste special values onto the original cells. Make sure to verify numeric cells. If numbers remain as text, wrap value around the clean text before pasting. If things go wrong, suspect non-breaking spaces or other hidden characters. Use equals clean, substitute A2, char 160 to strip them. Finally, delete the helper column and save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.